Hello and welcome back to my videos about PHP and the variables. One of the predefined variables will be the get param, and you basically just use the get param when you need arguments from a UL. It's if you're starting to use it here to print R and then everything out. You can see it's empty, so I will try to do something here. Hello world and my name. And then you can see this is the get param, so I will go back. You can of course use an if statement and say if get my name is equal to and then you can use it in your if statements. So I get a print here. The other thing will be if we use an other one, and I will call city and type it in Danish, and we will have Copenhagen here. It's Copenhagen on Danish, so yeah, it sounds a little weird, but that's fine. And we can just say get UL encode decode. This is how the UL will be. So we call it city, and here you can see this is the right UL. If you're in an older browser, you will see this in your UL, but this will be Copenhagen if you're having a modern browser. So this is a little bit about get and the get param when you're going from the UL, and play around with it when you're using your editor. Thank you so much for this time. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, please make them in the comments fields below. And don't forget to press on the link so you subscribe my channel to get more videos from me. I hope you enjoy, and put this video to your playlist, and of course share it with your friends. Thank you so much for your time. See you next time, and thank you for the subscription.